Who is Bharat Jain? Yes, Bharat Jain, the world's richest beggar with a net worth of 7.5 crore rupees. There are many beggars in the world who are incredibly wealthy. These individuals have managed to accumulate a large amount of money over the years by begging. There are a number of reasons why these millionaires among beggars exist. For example, some of them may be able to amass their wealth through traditional means such as gambling or business ventures, but others may have inherited their wealth or become very wealthy through charitable work. Bharat Jain, recognized as the wealthiest beggar globally, continues to engage in begging despite accumulating a net worth of 7.5 crores rupees, $1 million. His monthly earnings range between 60,000 rupees and 75,000, and he owns valuable property in Mumbai. The term beggar often evokes images of individuals facing financial instability, wearing outdated attire, and having unkempt hair. Additionally, it is commonly associated with poverty. However, it is worth noting that begging has taken on a new dimension, with some individuals turning it into a lucrative profession. As reported by CNews, Bharat Jain, recognized as the wealthiest beggar globally, is a prominent figure seen begging on the streets of Mumbai. Due to financial constraints, he was unable to pursue formal education. Despite his circumstances, Bharat Jain is a married man with a family that includes his wife, 2 sons, his brother, and his father. In a remarkable turn of events, despite his humble beginnings, Bharat Jain's children have successfully completed their education. Originally from Mumbai, Bharat Jain has accumulated a net worth of 7.5 crores rupees, $1 million. His monthly earnings from begging range between 60,000 rupees and 75,000. Notably, he owns a valuable 2-bedroom flat in Mumbai worth 1.2 crore rupees and has ventured into real estate with ownership of 2 shops in Thane, which yield a monthly rental income of 30,000 rupees. Bharat Jain can often be spotted begging at prominent locations such as Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus or Azad Maidan. His story is a testament to his entrepreneurial spirit and his ability to overcome adversity. Despite his significant wealth, Bharat Jain continues to engage in begging on the streets of Mumbai. While many people struggle to earn a few hundred rupees even after working long hours, Bharat Jain manages to collect 2000 to 500 per day within a span of 10 to 12 hours, thanks to the generosity of people. Despite his financial resources, Bharat Jain and his family live comfortably in a 1 BHK duplex residence in Parel. Their children attend a convent school, indicating a decent standard of living. Additionally, other members of the family operate a stationery store, offering alternative means of income. They consistently advise Bharat to cease begging, yet he disregards their counsel and persists with this line of work. So, what we can learn from his life is that any person can be a millionaire if a man works sincerely with dedication in his profession. Even a beggar can be crorepati. What do you feel? Give a comment in the comments box and subscribe my channel Chumthang Makhon Tutorial to get such interesting contents in future. Thanks for watching.